Or motto, what is the phase sequence of a balanced three-phase circuit? Bn and Cn are given like this one. This question solved with the help of two methods. First one with the help of phasor diagram, okay, and another way without phasor. I know that if theta rotate like this one, clockwise direction, that is negative, we have taken negative, theta is negative, and if theta rotate corresponding to clockwise, anti-clockwise direction, that is positive, it means like this one, and this one is a reference. Most of the time we have taken reference corresponding to this one. If theta is going on this direction, then there is positive. If going on this one, that is negative. Clear? For simplicity, we have taken like this one. Now, what about Bn? Bn is 208 at the angle plus 130. 130 means plus 130. This one is 120 plus 120. This one is minus 120. Clear? Now 130 means actual VBN like this one. Okay, that is plus 130 degree. It means this angle is plus 10. That is VC VBN. This is equal to 208 at the angle plus 130 degree. Okay, what about VCN? This is also written as VCN. This is equal to 208 at the angle plus 10 degree. Clear? Make like this one. Okay, what about that? First of all, C lag B by how much angle? 120. This angle between this one, that is 120. B to C. C lag B, you can say that VCN lag VBN by how much angle? That is 120. It means which type of sequence? That is ABC. I know that if A, B, C. If in doubt, make another way. What about A? I know that angle between phase A and B is 120 and B and C 120, and also B with the help of A, B angle between B and A, that is also 120. So if you want to make A, this one like this, okay, this one is also 120. So 120 plus 130, that is V of A, and this is equal to written as 208 into at the angle 250. Okay, I know that how to check phase sequence, that is A, B, C. Okay, or you can say that if C lag B by how much angle? 120, then that is ABC sequence. So written as phase sequence, that is ABC. Clear? Another way. And what about AN? Finally we got also 208 at the angle 250 volt, or 208 at the angle corresponding to this one, that is plus 10. It means that is minus 110 volt. Sometimes answer written like this one, and sometimes answer written like this one. Okay, that is minus 110. means AN is also written as 208 minus 110 volt. Clear? If objective question, sometime like this one, sometime like this one. So clear? Now second method. That is first method we have resolved with the help of second method. Second method means I know that VBN is 208 at the angle plus 130 degree and VCN is written at 208 at the angle 130. So VBN divided by VCN is written as 208 at the angle plus 130 divided by 208 at the angle plus 10. Clear? This one is written as plus 120. Okay? This will equal to VBN divided by VCN. What about VCN? If written VCN, this will equal to VBN at the angle minus 120. Okay? Now, A, B and that is C. BN is written as AN at the angle minus 120. Means BN lag AN by how much angle? 120. This type representation, so BN lag AN by how much angle? 120. So written as here CN lag VCN lag VBN by how much angle? 120. So this type of phase sequence, that is ABC. Clear? The phase sequence, that is ABC. Clear? If C lag behind B, it means that is ABC. Clear? Y, that is Y is phase sequence is ABC. Clear? Now our next target, determine AN. Our next target, determine AN. How to determine AN? I know that VBN, this will be equal to V of AN at the angle, if sequence is ABC, then VBN, this will be equal to AN at the angle minus 120. So AN is written as VBN divided by minus 120. VBN is 208 at the angle 130 plus 130. So it is written as finally 208 at the angle 250. So clear? With the help of phasor, you can also determine AN.